Kareem is having a meltdown. He just found out that his local coffee shop has stopped giving away free cookies with every latte. Logically, he knows the cookie was a gift. It was never part of the transaction. But emotionally, he feels robbed. He feels like something that belongs to him has been taken away. This is the dark side of free. It isn't just about saving money. It is about how quickly a gift becomes an expectation, and how that expectation turns into anger. Cosmo and Petsi are watching this unfold. They notice something fascinating about human nature. When Kareem used to pay for that cookie, he savored every bite. But once it became free, he stopped noticing the taste. He only noticed the right to have it. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. We get used to positive changes incredibly fast. The first free gift is a delight. The 10th is just a routine. And the day the free gift stops, that feels like a tragedy. The experiment. To prove how quickly this entitlement sets in, Petsi set up a social experiment. For 1 week, she gave Cosmo a free $5 bill every morning. No strings attached. On day 1, Cosmo was thrilled. He thanked her profusely. He felt lucky. By day 3, the gratitude had faded. He took the money without even looking up from his phone. It had become just another part of his morning. Then came day 7. Petsi walked right past him. She gave him nothing. And Cosmo's reaction was immediate. He didn't ask, "How are you?" He asked, "Where is my money?" In just 7 days, a generous gift had transformed into an unpaid debt. Cosmo felt the pain of loss for something he never actually earned. The science. This is psychological entitlement. It happens when we internalize a privilege as a right. When companies offer free shipping, free returns, or free content, they aren't just being nice. They are trying to create a habit. But the danger is that free devalues the product. If you get music for free, you stop valuing the artist's work. If you get news for free, you stop valuing the journalism. We start to think that paying full price is for suckers. This creates the smart shopper ego. We only feel smart when we are getting something for nothing. But this leaves us chronically dissatisfied, because the moment the free ride ends, we feel cheated. Real-world application. So, how do we break the entitlement trap? Kareem realized he had to change his baseline. The solution is active gratitude. Instead of asking, "Why didn't I get my free item?" ask, "Why did I expect it in the first place?" When Kareem finally bought a cookie with his own money, something strange happened. He tasted it again. He appreciated the labor that went into baking it. The problem with free stuff isn't the stuff. It's what it does to our appreciation. When everything is free, nothing is special. Sometimes the best way to enjoy something is to pay for it. I'm Think Lent. Thanks for thinking with us.